All right, we're back. This is your conductor engineer, Roy. Okay, what are we doing today? We're we're going to level up this media that I put on here. I'm an artist. I don't like to use the paper that you buy for roads. Um, there's different ways of doing it, which are very nice. I'm retired. I don't have anything else to do but think. So what I did do all over here, I had used some very fine road dirt. You know, I'm good for road dirt. Now I want to show you something. Let me see if I can turn this. I'm always learning. Right. Let me see. Oop, and it's not turning. Oh well. I don't know if you can see it. I'm one side. I got this thing so tall up in the air, I can't see. But over here, you can see the plywood. And we don't want that. Oops. So what we've done, we put some fine road dirt that I sifted through a screen. And I'm going to show you the screen that I use. I'll be there in a minute. Just hold on. I got a takeout dinner plate. This is house screen. And when I sort my road dirt down, I use different grades, like your house strainers, art strainers that go down smaller, smaller, smaller. And when I want the road dirt, the real top layer of road dirt, I use my screen and I put it on there and I shake it in there and I shake it out of this end to make real fine road dirt. So let's get on with it. I got a car here that's wired. I'm not unwiring it. So I got my 50-50 mix of Elmer's, 50 water, 50 Elmer's glue. This is an old container. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just put this glue down like this. Try not to get down that hole there. And before we get up to this road, I got my water mix. Well, it's not really a mix, it's a water. I'm lying. Gotta spray it out. Make sure we get a little water. And I just wanna spray this media that I've already put here. There was a hole there and I wanted to fill it up. So I'm gonna soak that. There we go. You can see it's soaked. And then we're going to get over here and get busy with this gluey glue. And everywhere we put it, the glue is going to make the media stick to it. So here we go. We're just mixing it down on the road there. The tape doesn't matter because I'm going to take that off when I'm done. And it's going to be nice. Go around that hole there. Okay. Now, one of the reasons why I'm doing this because as you progress in this hobby, you think, yeah, you really do a lot of thinking. Believe me, you. I had put this on with the stuff I bought from Hobby Lobby. It's supposed to make road lines with the white marker. That didn't turn out so good. It was crappy. So I decided not to use it. I dealt with it long enough. I don't want to look at it no more. So here we go. We're going to just keep pulling this up, pulling it up. Put a little bit over there, around here. There's the traffic light and the railroad light. Now I got a hole here and a hole there where before I had some lights in those holes and then I switched the layout around and that's why we have that. Now here we're going to put this glue right in there where we just filled that hole up because we want that to heal. Alright, so we're done putting the glue on. And here comes the fun part. And when you see this, it's very fine. Very fine. Can you see it? Alright, so that's the road dirt. And what we're going to do is, just going to sprinkle this road dirt. You want to sprinkle it a little thicker than what you want, because whatever sticks to the glue sticks, and whatever doesn't, of course, will come off. See? Just like that. Just fill up the road. Don't worry about it. Lift the little wires up from the little car. And I can sit back down on that. So just put your sand there. And all around there. And just keep putting it down. Just like that. That hole's going to get filled up. And you want to put it right across there. See? Across that area. Alright, so that's it. Use almost a whole pill bottle full. Okay, what do we do next, Conductor Roy? Well, first of all, we're going to let that dry for a little bit. I don't know if you can see it, but right along here, it's damp. It's showing you that the media is absorbing the moisture. All right, so we got that done. How do we flatten that down? Well, here's a way. You can use this. You can use the pill bottle. You don't want to do this when it's too wet, because it will stick to the bottle. Alright, so you do it like that, and just roll it like you would do a roller on a road. Roll it, and just roll it. Very nice, very nice. Move this car out the way. You want to roll it up to the wire. Now, as you do this, if you're there too long, you're going to notice that the dirt will begin to stick to the bottle. When it does that, you're there too long. Alright, put that car back over there where it's already been done, or down there. And we're just going to keep right on rolling. I like to go back and forth when I first do it, because it seems to take out some of the lines that you could have. Just roll and roll. Knock that little bit off. And right along here we want to roll. Anything makes a nice roller. Okay, just roll, roll, roll your boat. Roll your boat, right? Alright, just roll it right on up there. Roll it across here, because you want to get that kind of smoothed out any way that you can. Now, when you go across this track here, you want to kind of gently go at first and roll that. Because this is why we're doing it, because we're trying to make a transition where when you're in your mind, you're driving across this road and it's supposed to be a smooth incline. Alright, so here we go. We're going to fix that really nice. Just like that. And we're going to try to push this back down there. There's some lines in there that you'll be able to see. Alright, see right in here, there's little lines. Alright, what do? You put a little bit more in there. You do it real light. Real light. But you know, a railroad does have some wear. So there you go, like that. Now some of this is going to come back off. We'll have to wait and see. But you want to make sure that if it's going to have some lines, that at least it's covered up. Okay? And clean your bottle off again. And just roll. 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 Just like that. And look at that. Rolls right nicely there. Ooh, this kind of moved a little bit. Ooh, that car. And just roll it like that. You want that to be nice against that fence. Now you know the edge of the road can be messed up a little bit, but not downtown. We don't want that. All right, so there you go. Nice and smooth. The lift comes up to the railroad track. It's a little spot right here, a little low, but that's all right. That's acceptable. So when it dries, what we'll do, we'll take our X-Acto knife and we'll cut right along the inside of the rail here. Cut that tape off. This here, when we pull it, we want to pull it this way. Pull it toward the road. All of it pulls toward the road. Even down here, you pull it toward the road. And what happens, what sticks to the glue will break off straight. What sticks to the paper will stay on the paper. All right, so that's it. Now, what I want to show you is how it looks when you're done. I'm going to show you this nice smooth spot over here. I got to move the vacuum cleaner because it's in the way. Now, check this out. Ooh, oh boy. See that? See that area? Let me get my little pointer. Where's my pointer? All of this here. This here is the same stuff, road media. Look, all this here, same stuff. Nice and smooth. You see that? Nice and smooth. All right, so that's it for today. Happy road making. And like I say, the reason why I'm doing this because I want to put lines on. And I'm going to make a video. I'm going to show you. Instead of using that paint, we got a better idea. All right, guys and gals, thanks for the visit. And don't forget to go over there to YouTube and follow me, Leonard Williams Cranberry Railroad, and check out my videos. Enjoy.